A first win for Connah's Quay in the league over TNS in over 4.5 years. What a result.
Yeah, fantastic result. Made up. Just means I wasn't very good for those 4.5 years, probably. But when we've got the profile player that we've got and the team that we've got, I think we can go and put it on anyone. Because when we played them earlier on in the season, although we lost 3-0, I thought we were very good. And I thought we were, especially in the second half, I thought we were credit for at least a point. That wasn't to be because TNS are a fantastic club and got a fantastic side, fantastic management. But for us, I think, it was a case of, let's see if we can put it on them a little bit. And we're going to have long spells without the ball. Of course we are. But we can try and force them into a few traps that we look to work on. We might get some opportunities. And when you've got the quality that we possess, then thankfully we'll always look to try and take one.
Craig, a rare defeat against the team who have been your biggest rivals generally over the last few years. Having got back to 2-1, do you think you deserved more from that game?
I think we did, yeah. I think we did. I think the second half completely controlled, apart from that counter-attack. Look, it's a fantastic goal from Callum West. His composure and his finishes is fantastic, but I can't really remember any more opportunities really. Nomads, really stretched in that second half. So yeah, look, we'll get the first goal, and then we're patient, and then we give a really poor goal away like that key moment in time, which arguably made it an even bigger mountain to climb.
Good performance all round from the lads. At times we had to sit in defensively, but then on the counter I thought we were threatening. Created quite a few chances, and then I nicked it in the middle of the park. I did see Max to my right. You'll probably say I didn't, but I did see him. But I thought I can go all the way here, and then a little bit of magic, and then get a nice finish off.
We got completely look in the mirror in what could we do better, and there's times all over the game where we could have done better, so especially in the final third, especially first half. Second half I thought it was a much better performance from ourselves, but again, I think we give away 2 really poor goals, and then the other one was very questionable about being a penalty in my not just my opinion. I think anyone with eyes can see that it's, looking back on reflection, it's not a penalty.
And having got that win today, and you're back within 4 points now of TNS at the top of the table. There's another game coming up on Saturday. How difficult in some ways is it going to be to come back down after a win today and get yourself ready for Barrytown?
I don't think it's a case of coming back down. I think we can stay on the momentum. We haven't just beat TNS, we've been on a run for the last few months or so. So I think we just need to focus on ourselves, carry on into the next one.
The gap at the top is only 4 points now. It's a real title race, and you're right in the thick of it.
Yeah, we are, but I think the gap to third 7 points as well. So I think a lot of teams will be looking and seeing what they can do. I think Penabon play Llanelli tomorrow. We're just pleased that we're getting to a points tally that we want to try and get to before the end of the first phase, and we're close to that. But we still need to get a couple of results in our next 2 games with Barry and Carnarvon. And where that will take us will be where it takes us. But we're not looking, anything further than the game on Saturday, and we're just going to try and get another 3 points there on the back of Barry's disappointing result today.